Next, we will demonstrate the feather stitch. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 9. Bring the needle through from the upper left position. Bring the needle down at the aligned position below. Do not pull the floss too tight. Let the floss form a loop on the fabric. Bring the needle through at the center position. Pull the floss tight. Let's demonstrate it again. Bring the needle down at the aligned position below. Again, do not pull the floss too tight. Let it form a loop. Use your left fingers to hold the loop. Then bring the needle through at the center. Pull the floss up through the loop. Follow the pattern's path, moving up and down. Alternate stitches evenly from side to side. Keep the floss tension even while stitching. Do not make it too tight or too loose. Otherwise, the feather shape will be uneven. It affects the overall look. Feather stitch is a highly decorative stitch. The stitched lines look as airy as feathers. It creates a layered effect. It is commonly used for embroidering feathers and branches. For the last stitch, bring the needle down at the end to secure the stitch. This completes the feather stitch. Let's check the finished result.